Earth, it would have had catastrophic results. The meteor's effects were the most significant since the Tunguska event in 1908. The meteor's effects were the most significant since the Tunguska event in 1908. The blast was strong enough to register in Antarctica. The blast was strong enough to register in Antarctica. The sonic wave shattered glass and eardrums. The sonic wave shattered glass and eardrums. The light from the meteor caused temporary blindness and skin damage. The citizens of Chelyabinsk first noticed the meteor's extreme brightness. Before it exploded, the space rock lit up the morning sky with an enormous flash. In fact, the meteor's fireball was approximately 30 times brighter than the sun, which can cause vision damage. The flash caused temporary blindness in a number of observers, along with retinal skin burns from the exposure. One woman even had skin burned off of her face. It was impossible to see the meteor coming. The arrival and explosion of the Chelyabinsk Meteor was so surprising because it was pretty much impossible to see coming. Scientists have long warned that meteorite impacts, or even those from larger asteroids, could happen pretty much anywhere at any time without much warning. Because of the meteor's orbit, it approached Earth from the direction of the Sun. Combined with the relatively small size of the object, there was no way astronomers could see it coming until it was too late. The meteor made it within 20 miles of the Earth. Although the Chelyabinsk meteor exploded before it could hit Earth, it was a relatively near miss. The meteor exploded less than 20 miles above the planet's surface and Chelyabinsk itself, raining down smaller meteorites across the area. In the realm of astrophysics, where interstellar objects regularly travel millions of miles during their cosmic journeys, a difference of 20 miles is rather insignificant, making it an incredibly close call. The explosion was 30 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Just how powerful was the blast from the Chelyabinsk meteor? The magnitude of its explosion was even more powerful than a weapon of mass destruction. The blast was at least 30 times more powerful than the blast from the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, Japan, at the conclusion of World War II. Considering the damage caused by the attack, one can only imagine what would have happened had the meteor actually hit Chelyabinsk.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching